हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका समटिन में। आज हम बात करेंगे बहुत ही बेसिक टॉपिक पे, हाउ टू क्रिएट द टेबल्स इन एक्सेल। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. So let's start it. What is table in Excel? So table is a specific structure range of cells that allows you to organize and manage related data with additional features like automatic filtering, sorting, and the ability to easily add new rows, columns while maintaining formatting, essentially making it a more dynamic way to work with data compared to just a regular range of cells. So without wasting the time, let's jump on it and then learn how to create table. राइट सो जैसे मेरे पास ये एक सिंपल सा डाटा है, इस डाटा में आई डू हैव एम्प्लॉय नेम्स, पोजीशंस, द डिपार्टमेंट दे आर वर्किंग फॉर एंड देन द सैलरी दे आर गेटिंग. राइट, आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस डाटा इनटू टेबल. राइट, so to convert this one into table, what we need to do, just simply select the data. हमें डाटा को select करना होगा, right, and then we are going to insert a table. Click on insert tab and then here you are able to see the option that is called table. Just click on table. Right, so now the new window will pop up here. It's asking the table range. Yes, this is the correct range, and then yes, I do have the headers for my tables. Right, so click OK. So it has converted into table now. Right, so the main features, it's automatically pop up with the drop down button here. So we can filter the data by like I do have employee names here, so we can easily filter it by in ascending or descending order, whatever the order you want to add. The other powerful feature, we can easily add columns here. Suppose I want to add another name of the employee, right? So, let's say this name, and then let's say again AR officer, and then again under accounting, and then the range is getting, let's say 200. Right, so we can easily add the columns or rows, whatever you want to add. I want to add another column, so let's say the address of the employee. Right, so it's automatically converted into table, this row and this column. Right, so this is the main feature. And then if you want to change the color of the table, then just click within the table and then you will be able to see this tab, table design. Click on here and then you will be able to pick up the design, whatever the design or color you want to keep. So you can do by clicking on the table designs. Right, so I want to keep, suppose I want to keep like in this format, so I have selected that one. And the other powerful feature we can see is banded rows. Right, banded rows, like it here it's highlighting in blue, here it's highlighting in white. So these are, if you don't want to keep this one in a banded rows, so just untick banded rows here, then it will go. Right, when you click, it will come back. If you want to make your columns banded, you have another option, banded columns. You can click it here as well. It's up to you, whatever the format you want to keep, so you can keep in that way. And another filter button, again just simply click with the filter button. If you want to keep the filter button, just untick. If you don't want, then untick. If you want, then just tick this one here, the filter button will come back again. Right, the another thing, a powerful feature, we don't need to do anything. If you want to add slicer, just simply click on slicers. So suppose I want to keep slicers like employee name and then the salary. Right, then click OK. So the slicers will come up here. This is another powerful if we can say filters here. So if you want to, suppose you want to see the only for Andrew, information for Andrew, just click on Andrew. It will, all the information only come up for Andrew here. Right, here again, wherever you want to keep, click. So suppose Emma, so we do have two different Emmas here. One is under accounting and the other one is under customer service department. So in this way we can also add the slices in tables. The other feature, we can say, go back to table design. If you want to change the name of the table, just simply click here. So I would say employee name. So I have just simply I've simply just manually written it down here, so it will change the name of the table. So yeah, if you want the total for this row, just we don't need to do anything, we don't need to use any formula. Just go to table design, you will be able to see one of the other option, so that is called total row. Just click here, it will give you the total for that rows, right? So in this way we can, so these are the features in creating the tables. होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. इफ़ यू वांट मी टू मेक another video on any particular topic, please comment. I certainly I will make a video on that. So please, at the end, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon button. See you again with a new video. Thank you. Bye.